Hi, I am Ayub Khan. I am here, coming here to learn CCTV training. And the first day we have engaged with theory session by Nandini ma'am. It was very good and we learned a lot of things about CCTV, what is CCTV, so what are the types of cameras available in the market and what are the cameras and cablings, especially cables and connectors and types of lenses. All those things are we learned theoretically by Nandini ma'am. It was very good to have a great exposure about the CCTV. So and then the next day, so we have a practical session and some basic in-depth knowledge about CCTV by Gajendran sir. So he gave a lot of input about the CCTV, how the entrepreneur can be develop their skills, marketing skills, all those things, how to select the cameras, how to select the cables. So what are the problems arise during the installation, all those things we have learned. So in the afternoon session we have a practical session. Individually we have the connectors, camera, DVR, all those things, and we individually connected, and we so we take the output and we see the image of the cameras. So it was very nice. So we have great experience in practical sessions also. So and so we learned the settings, mostly the NVR setting, what are the settings available, how to set up the cameras, how to set up the DVRs, NVRs, and what are the features available in the XVR.